Hi, it's Adam with WebStarts.com. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add a notification like this one in the bottom right to your website. You can use this notification to do things like alert the people who visit your website about new features and updates to your website itself, maybe a sale that you're running on your online store, or maybe you just want to provide a link to an instruction video like I have. Anyway, it's a pretty neat tool, and it's provided by a company called getbeamer.com, and it integrates nicely with WebStarts. So I'm going to walk you through adding that to your website in this video. All right, go to getbeamer.com to sign up for a free account. Just click on the button, go ahead and enter in your information. I've already done that, so I'm going to log in. Now, once you've logged into your account, you'll be on the GetBeamer dashboard, and that's where you'll create your first notification. Just click on the icon, give your notification a title. I called mine How to Create a Music Store or something like that. And then you can go ahead and type your content into the section below. You can also click on this little plus icon to add a photo or even a video to your notification. Just remember, if you add a video, that you have to press the enter button to get the video thumbnail to display. Here you can enter some optional text, like for example, you can say how to create your own online music store, and you can even enter a URL if you want to navigate them to another site or a specific page on your site. When you're ready, you can just click save and publish, and then those will be added to your live version of your notification. All right, I'm going to go ahead and accept those changes, and now it's created. Before you can see that appear on your page, you're going to need to grab the Embed code and add this to your website. So just click on Embed and then copy that to your clipboard, and then what you're going to want to do is move over to your WebStarts account, and we will do that now. All right, just like we did with Beamer, you're going to need to set up a WebStarts.com account. If you haven't already done that, you can click Get Started. It's free. Just select any one of the templates. They're all 100% customizable and can be changed at any time, so it's not super important that you select one that looks exactly the way you like. But I've already created an account here as well, so I'm just going to log into my existing account, and that's where we'll be making these changes. So once you're logged in, if you have multiple websites in your account, you'll see a page like what I see here. But if it's your first time coming to WebStarts, you're going to log in on the dashboard view, and I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. Let's go ahead and select this website, and you'll see the dashboard view just like what I'm looking at here. Hover over the thumbnail to your website, click Edit Site. That opens up the WebStarts page editor where you can edit a specific page. Then just find the page that you'd like to add that notification to and click Insert, and then choose HTML, and then go ahead and paste the code in the field provided and click OK. You should see a little box pop up with the notification like that. Click Save, and then those changes are published to your live website. You can view them by clicking View Site. You'll see the notification bell pops up here in the bottom right. And just like that, you can see the notifications that I've recently created using Beamer. So I can go back into Beamer and I can add additional notifications, that sort of things. It's a pretty cool tool to keep your site visitors informed on what's new on your website, as well as give them some social proof that your website is dynamic and changing all the time. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to tap subscribe and enable notifications, and sign up to create your very own free website, online store, or blog at webstarts.com. Thanks for watching.